Hi, everyone. Judge Andrew Napolitano here for Judging Freedom. Excuse my froggy voice. Today is a special Saturday pop-up Judging Freedom. Today is Saturday, May 21st, 2022. It's about 11:35 in the morning here on the East Coast of the United States. And late last night, the governor of Oklahoma signed legislation, which is now the strictest pro-life legislation in the country. So Oklahoma, which had legislation similar to Texas, banning all abortions after 5 or 6 weeks when a fetal heartbeat is detected, now bans all abortions with the exception of when there's a medical emergency threatening the life, meaning the mortal existence of the mother, or when the pregnancy was caused by rape or incest, which was reported to the police. So if the medical emergency is short of life-threatening, or if the rape or incest was not reported to the police at the time of the rape or incest, then no abortion is lawful under Oklahoma law. And the law, like Texas law, is not going to be enforced by the police and prosecutors in Oklahoma. It's going to be enforced by private persons suing the abortion provider. And the statute, just like Texas's, provides that if you prove that the abortion took place in Oklahoma, the abortion provider owes a minimum of $10,000 plus legal fees to whoever brings the lawsuit. So here we go again. I am pro-life. I believe the baby in the womb is a person. I believe personhood begins at the moment of conception. The Oklahoma statute uses fertilization. They are virtually the same. If the baby in the womb is a person, then all abortion is homicide, because the Fifth Amendment requires that the government protect the lives, liberty, and property of all persons. And you could only have an abortion if you could prosecute the baby, which of course would be impossible. We'll see where all of this goes. All of this is in anticipation of the Supreme Court invalidating Roe against Wade. That's the 1973 opinion that prevents the states from banning abortions during the first 6 months of pregnancy. All of this assumes that Roe versus Wade will be invalidated by the Supreme Court. Oh, I think it will be. I thought it would be even before Justice Alito's draft opinion was leaked, just on my knowledge of the way the justices think and my having read a transcript of the oral argument on the case. It sounded as though at least 5 of them were in favor of reversing Roe versus Wade. If they've changed their minds, you're going to see quite an uproar, because folks will claim that they changed their minds because of the uproar that happened right after the Alito draft opinion, which was pilfered by somebody, we don't know who yet, and leaked. If they don't change their minds, if this is 5-4 or 6-3 to reverse Roe versus Wade, well, then you'll see different reactions in different states like New Jersey, New York, and California, permitting abortions up to the moment of birth, paid for by the state, and states like Texas, Oklahoma, Montana, Mississippi, Alabama, banning abortions with the limited exceptions that I mentioned earlier. So we don't know which way this is going to go. I'm happy about what the Oklahoma legislature has done. But if the baby in the womb is a person, if I'm right, then all abortion is homicide. Judge Napolitano for Judging Freedom.